proposition is whether a citizen's right to vote include within its ambit the right to know the background of the election candidate, including particularly if they bore any criminal record, their educational background, their assets and liabilities. Now, this is the question. Whether a citizen has got a right. Now, this is the question which has to be decided judicially. Now, the answer to this question will come for the first time in three Supreme Court judgments, in three-judge Supreme Court judgments of 2002 and 2003, known as the Association for Democratic Reforms of 2002 and People's Union for Civil Liberty 2003. Now, this question was raised for the first time in 2002-2003. First time. Now, I started thinking that if the right to vote did not include the right to know the antecedent of the election candidate, how have we been voting hitherto?